Hello everyone. In this lecture we will cover these topics from the chapter Matter and Our Surroundings, class 9. States of matter, changes of states of matter, evaporation and the factors affecting the rate of the evaporation. Right. The first thing is states of matter. We know the matter, anything occupies space and that has mass, has called matter. So matter is categorized by three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. There is another two forms in your book you will study about, that is the first one is the plasma and the second is BEC. These are two more states of matter we have discovered recently. We will study about these two states of matter in the further lectures. So firstly we have to study these three. The main three are the solid, liquid and the gas. Right? The three states of matter, there is solid, liquid and gas, which are characterized by these some of the properties we have taken here, that is the volume, compressibility, shape, density, intermolecular space and intermolecular force. Right. So coming on the first one, that the volume, the solid have the definite volume. Right. Solids have a definite volume, liquids have a definite volume, but the gas has not a definite volume. Gases का definite volume नहीं होता, solids का एक definite volume होता है, liquid का एक definite volume होता है, and but the gases do not have a definite volume because volume constantly changing. If we compress it or we expand that gas, then its volume becomes more or less in the cases of compression and expansion. Right. Then the second is compressibility. Compressibility means how much you can compress a state of matter. So you cannot compress a solid. You cannot compress a solid. That is why it is written as a liquid. Is a negligible. You cannot compress a solid. And liquid is also not compressible. This is slightly compressible, but that is negligible. So we have taken it as a negligible compressibility. But the gases is a very highly compressible state of matter. Gases can be compressed highly. Right? The shape, the third point is the shape. Then that solids have a definite shape. The solid does not change definite shape by on its own. A liquid does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of a container in which it is stored. Liquid को जिस भी container में आप store करोगे वो उसी container का shape ले लेगा. Then the gas, the same thing. It does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of a container in which it is stored. Then the fourth point is density. What is density? Density, how dense a state of matter is. You know that the solid is a higher density. So we have taken a solid density, solid high, moderate in liquids and gases a very low density. Right? The fifth one is intermolecular space. What is intermolecular space? The space present between the particles of the matter. Matter के particles में कितना space present है? That is known as the intermolecular space. So solids में space बिल्कुल नहीं होता, इसलिए we have taken as least. Liquids lesser and the gases have very much more intermolecular spaces between them. Then the sixth point is intermolecular force. Intermolecular force, that is very strong and less strong and weak in the case of gases. Right? So these are the some characteristics of the these three states of the matter. Now coming from the second topic, change of states of matter. What is change of state of matter? The plasma BEC are not right now. The solid, the first state of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Right? When a solid changes into the liquid, that process is known as the melting. When a liquid changes into the solid, that is freezing. Normally, when you take a water को आपने freeze कर दिया, that is freezing. वो ice बन गया, तो वो बन गया आपका liquid से solid. वो freezing हो गया. Solid को आपने melt किया, वो solid से वापस से liquid बन गया. That is called the melting. Right? Liquid से gas, that process known as vaporization, or you can also say boiling. ठीक है? There is a difference between boiling and vaporization or evaporation. We will study in the coming few minutes. Then the gases changes in the liquid, that is known as the condensation, and gases change in solid changes into the gas directly, that is sublimation. Example is camphor. Camphor is a solid that directly changes into the gas form. So that process known as sublimation. Then gases directly change into the solid, that is known as the deposition. These are the changes in the states of matter. Right? I hope you understand these two topics. Proceeding further, there are two more topics left now in this chapter or in this video, you can say. Okay, evaporation. What is evaporation? Right? There is a difference between evaporation and boiling. And what is that difference? Evaporation and boiling. Evaporation basically it takes place at the surface of the liquid. Evaporation takes place at the surface of the liquid. At the surface of liquid. इवेपोरेशन जो है वो लिक्विड के सरफेस पे होता है, फ्रॉम द अपर पार्ट, राइट? अगर कोई लिक्विड है उसके अपर पार्ट से ही इवेपोरेशन हो रहा होता है, ठीक है। सेकंड प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है? इट टेक्स प्लेस एट एनी टेम्परेचर। इसका कोई भी फिक्स टेम्परेचर नहीं होता है। जैसे कि बॉइलिंग होता है बेटा, बॉइलिंग जो होता है वो एक फिक्स टेम्परेचर पे होता है। जैसे कि हमने बोला वाटर का जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है वो है 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, यानी कि 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे वो बॉइल होगा। 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस में वाटर विल कन्वर्ट इनटू स्टीम, देन वाटर यानी कि लिक्विड फॉर्म इट कन्वर्ट इनटू द स्टीम यानी कि गैसेस फॉर्म। बट इन द केस ऑफ इवेपोरेशन, इवेपोरेशन में कोई भी टेम्परेचर पर इवेपोरेशन हो सकता है, उसका कोई भी फिक्स टेम्परेचर नहीं होता। थर्ड पॉइंट, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? ये एक बहुत ही स्लो प्रोसेस है। इवेपोरेशन इज अ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस, बट इन द केस ऑफ बॉइलिंग, बॉइलिंग जो होता है वो आपका बहुत ही फास्ट प्रोसेस होता है। दीज आर द माइनर डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन evaporation and boiling. It takes place at the surface of the liquid, it takes place at any temperature, and it is a very slow process that is called the evaporation. Basically evaporation means the बात वही है, बस थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है टेम्परेचर का। द चेंज ऑफ लिक्विड इनटू द वेपर्स एट एनी टेम्परेचर, द चेंज ऑफ लिक्विड into vapors at any temperature below its melting point is known as evaporation. So there are some factors that affect the evaporation. The first one factor we can say is surface area, right? So increase in surface area will increase in the rate of evaporation. If you increase the surface area of the liquid, it will increase the rate of the evaporation, right? Second thing is temperature. The second point is temperature. If you increase the temperature, then the rate of evaporation will increase. You can observe this in the summer season and winter season. If you dry up your clothes in the summer season, the clothes will dry up faster, but in the winter season the clothes will not dry up faster. Because of why? Because of the temperature. Because in the summer season temperature is high, so the rate of evaporation is high. But in the winter season the temperature is low, so the rate of evaporation is low. That is why the clothes takes time to dry up in winter season, right? The third point is humidity. What is humidity? Humidity means the moisture present in the atmosphere. Humidity is the moisture present in the atmosphere is known as the humidity. So humidity, a decrease in humidity will increase the rate of evaporation. Humidity means the water vapors present in the, so if there is already water molecules in the atmosphere, then the rate of evaporation will be slow. So if the water molecules is less, that means the humidity in the atmosphere is less, then the rate of evaporation will grow, the rate of evaporation will be increased. Okay, so decrease in humidity will increase the atmospheric evaporation, rate of evaporation. And the fourth and the last point is the water is the wind speed, right? Wind speed. So the wind speed, same thing as the humidity. If the wind is blowing faster, it will take away the water molecules which are evaporating currently in that particular liquid. जिस टाइम पर वो लिक्विड इवेपोरेट हो रहा है, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स ऊपर आ रहे हैं, उस टाइम पर वो विंड जो है वो उसको उड़ा ले जाएगी, दैट विल बी टेकन ब्लोन अवे, राइट? सो द रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन विल इंक्रीज बिकॉज जितने भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल पहले से आ रहे थे वो अब जा चुके हैं, उड़ चुके हैं, विंड उसको उड़ा लेगी, तो जिसकी वजह से वो जो रेट है इवेपोरेशन का वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। तो दीज आर द फोर रेट फैक्टर्स व्हिच अफेक्ट द रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन, दैट इज सरफेस एरिया, इंक्रीज इन सरफेस एरिया will increase the rate of evaporation, increase in temperature will increase the rate of evaporation, decrease in humidity will increase the rate of evaporation, and increase in wind speed will increase the rate of evaporation. So that's it for this video lecture. We will see in the other with some new topics.